In today's video, I'm going to teach you a fast method to check the word count in your Microsoft Word document, whether it's the whole thing or just a selected section. This could be especially useful if you're working on an essay or any document where you need to keep an eye on the word count. Let's start with the simplest part, getting the word count for the entire document. When you open your Word document, you'll notice there's a status bar that runs along the bottom of your Word window. This status bar does more than just display notifications. It's also your quickest route to checking the word count. Right there on the bottom left, you'll see a snippet of information that not only tells you the total word count of your document, but updates in real time as you type. It might read something like 523 words, so you can monitor your progress as you go. This is incredibly handy if you're working towards a word limit and need to ensure you're on the right track without constantly navigating through menus. Now, suppose you only need to check the word count of a specific section. Maybe you have a particular paragraph or a few sentences that must adhere to a specific requirement. For this scenario, you'll need to select the text you're interested in. Simply click and drag your mouse over the words you wish to select until they're highlighted. Once you've done that, glance back at the status bar, and you'll notice it now shows two numbers: the word count for the highlighted text and the word count for the entire document. This function is invaluable if your project has sections with different word count requirements, allowing adjustments as needed without affecting your overall content. In addition to being quick and easy, this method avoids the hassle of sifting through menus or losing your place in the document. Plus, keeping an eye on your word count as you write can help maintain coherence and prevent the all-too-common pitfall of veering too far off track, especially when you're imposed with tight word limits. Remember, these tools are designed to optimize your workflow. The status bar word count updates in real time, keeping you informed on the fly, and the selection-specific count ensures that, no matter how detailed and precise your needs are, you have the support you need right at your fingertips. I hope you found this tip helpful and that it makes your daily work in Word a bit smoother. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips on making the most of your software tools. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.